County in western Arkansas, north central Montgomery County in western Arkansas, northeastern Polk, Polk County in western Arkansas, eastern Scott County in western Arkansas, southwestern Yell County in central Arkansas. Until 7:30 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 2 miles east of Waldron to 6 miles southeast of Waldron to 9 miles northeast of Lake Mina and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Waldron, Stonehouse Recreation Area, Muddy Creek Wildlife Management Area, Grebley, Cardiff, Y-City, Union Hill, Parks, Oleo, Nulla, Needmore, Harvey, Cedar Creek, Bulls, Bluffton, Blue Ball. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Sunday evening for Arkansas. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 2 a.m. Monday morning for northeastern Arkansas.